Alright, you guys, according to my understanding, the miPatch is no longer available through Cydia, unless if you're going to add one of the bad apps, the sources, and it'll mess up your iPod. So I'm going to show you guys how to get the miPatch through SSHing on your computer, which is also very simple. Very, very simple. My iPod is not connected. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so what you're gonna want to do is go to Cydia. Let that load up. Okay, so after that's done loading, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go search and look up SBSettings. So that's what you're going to want to do. You're going to want to look up SBSettings, go all the way down to where S would be, then go down until you see the SBSettings with the little Mac icon next to it. Click that. Mine says modify because I already have it. Go to reinstall or install in your case. So download it. And if you guys have already installed SBSettings, and if you haven't updated it, it's been updated. And if you already have updated it, you don't have to do this step. Alright, so I'm going to say restart Springboard. Alright. Oops. Alright. Password to put in, okay? Then you're going to want to go back into Cydia. Let it load, of course, because it takes a bajillion years. Go to search, look up open, no spaces, SSH. Then you'll get one of these kind of things right here. Mine says modify because I already have it, of course. Reinstall or install in your case. Install that. Once you have this done, it's very, very important that you have this, because or else you won't be able to SSH on your iPod. Okay? Alright then. Say return to Cydia. Okay. So now what you're going to want to do is, in order to activate SBSettings, you're going to want to tap your little status bar right here for your Wi-Fi. Crap. And then your little battery icon. That'll come up. Alright? So then what you're going to want to do is make sure that the SSH is on. Mine will have a green icon. Focus it. See, green icon. Alright. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to write this down, your Wi-Fi IP address. I guess I'm going to have to blur that out of the video, huh? Yeah, just write down your IP address, and then you're going to need to remember that, because the last thing you're going to want to do is forget, and then have to keep on going back on your iPod to go remember it. So, after this, you're going to want to go onto your computer, and then follow the rest of the steps I'm going to give you throughout this video. Alright, you guys, apparently the miPatch has been taken out, like I said in the camera video, so Now I'm going to show you guys how to get this miPatch onto your iPod. So what you're going to want to do is, wherever you saved the mobile installation patch, the cracked one that I'm going to provide you in my description, go to there. Mine's on my desktop, so I'm going to go there. Should show up on the left side if you're using WinSCP. Then what you're going to want to do is go to the main for your iPod by clicking that / folder. Go to System, Library, Private Frameworks. Let's see. MobileInstallation.framework. Then you're going to want to get rid of this mobile installation. You can either delete it or put it somewhere else on your desktop or something. You might want to back it up though. So I'm just going to new name, just name it backup so it doesn't rename your other one. Then you can delete it. Just make sure you back that up. Then take the one that you actually downloaded from me. Then put it into there. Copy it. Then that just about does it. So it's pretty simple. And you guys, if you guys don't know how to log into it, you gotta have your IP address punched in, and then you gotta put username as root and then password as alpine if you guys are using WinSCP. And please just don't use my IP address. I would really appreciate if you didn't, and if you guys do, then you guys are just jackasses, unfortunately. Alright, well, that's it. I'll provide links to everything in the description. Please rate, comment, subscribe, and if any errors occur, please let me know. Alright, thank you, and hope you guys have some fun hacking.